Hello Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak of the latest events and news of our project. On May 21st, we've activated an ability to purchase smart contracts for Ether on the platform, and we've even had our first commercial deployment. Ain't that cool? Our team participated in two hackathons these weeks. Sorry. The first one was held by BankX Foundation and we took the third place with our Ethereum project. Using Ethereum, you can authenticate without any registration only by sending some transactions in Ethereum blockchain with MetaMask or any other DApp browser. And the good news is we will integrate this feature in our Smartz platform in the nearest future. And the second one, organized by our colleagues' decentralized platform Karma Red, where our lead developer Vladimir Kramov won with the decentralized exchange project. What's your word? Against the background of the upcoming launch of Alice Network, your speech caused a heightened interest in the audience. It was interesting for everybody to know whether newcomer Alice could really kill the Ethereum, and the fans of the games would finally be able to enjoy the new products of CryptoKitties and other representatives of Cryptofauna without any harm to the rest of the network. Also, our team was invited to the Radio Media Metrics, where under the rubric Cybertech, we discussed smart contracts and public blockchains. Our project keeps building partnerships with blockchain marketplaces. And we are happy to announce our collaboration with Trust Wallet and DApp Browser. You can find Smartz platform in this application and use browser to interact with the platform, same way as you do it with MetaMask, but on mobile. Also, our project is listed on the State of DApps, Open Directory of Decentralized Applications. State of the DApps is a not-for-profit curated directory of decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. State of DApps was created to categorize and showcase developed projects built on the Ethereum blockchain. There are more than 1,500 DApps already. And now, news about our platform. A new version of the platform 0.80 is released. We have a new smart contract constructor, crowdfunding for ERC20 token. This constructor allows easily raise Ether funds for your startup in exchange for your ERC20 tokens. Just share the contract instance link to your potential contributors. Now, third-party developers can open public access to the dashboard of deployed contracts. Contract dashboard is now available without authorization. See full changelog in our Medium blog. Thumbs up for more videos and subscribe! What are you waiting for? Subscribe and be smart! All the mentioned links you can find below the video.